we'll be learning data validation. So if I go to insert, not in insert, I think it is in, yeah, data, of course. In data tab, if I put data validation, if I select data validation, okay, this is not coming correct, okay, it will come. Yeah. Now, if I select a custom range, I'll have to add range first. Let's take this page and let's say sold and not sold. Let's keep it easy as of now. Okay, I'll select my range and then I'll select my data validation, then choose to custom, and then I'll go over here and I'll choose this range. See, it gets selected over here. If I press this, so what do I did over here? I put a whole number. I'm only allowed to put whole number with the minimum value of 1 and maximum value of 10. So if I try to put 11, it will give me an error. It doesn't match with my data validation. If I put 5.5, it will give me an error. So why this is useful? Because when we want our data in a certain way where someone else is responsible to fill that information, at that time we put data validation. For example, I don't know, this column is something that needs to be between 1 to 10 and should be in whole number. So let's take this is something as in class. Okay, so if I put 1, it will take. If I put 2, it will take. If I put 3.5, it won't take. So this is how I use my data validation to avoid incorrect values in my sheet or in my data. Fine. Let's take another column as well, and let's take the sheet function. I mean sheet option. If I choose sheet, if I go here, if I choose this, if I choose this, alas, if I put enter, it will take that. Now this will give me an option. This will give me a drop down list from which I'll have to choose. I won't have other option, as in let's say I wanna put something else. It won't take. So this is the data validation. This is how I use it. And if I want to put data validation to certain cells, I'll select my cells where I want to put this condition. I'll select my data validation. It will give me this option. I'll choose list and then choose the values that I want. Go back, press OK. Simple as that. And what if I want to add quickly, I want to add one more value. What I'll do, I will no, I cannot do like this. I'll add a cell between these two, and let's say I'll add something. I'll add net. That is rubbish. But now I think if I drop down, I click on drop down button, so it will give me net option as well. It will give me all the option as many value as I add between these two cells. So that is the importance of inserting the column. One of the way to use it. One of the importance.